Okay, this is the internal structure and landing gear all mounted up and cozy in the aircraft. We've got the landing gear down here, the front gear. Get a little view of the assembly so far. There's the nose coming back to the actuator for the gear. 10mm shaft passing through. I don't know if we can get a shot of it, of the bushing in the main mount there. No. And then right now we're just actuating it with a little tiny battery and a BEC and a receiver. So the actual gear going up and down, the mains, using the slowdown on the 12X. And then of course the fronts, we're on different channels right now because I don't have a sequencer installed. And I'm on the flap switch, which is why there's 3 positions there. That's a nice smooth transition. I just have to make sure to go past the center on that. And the actual mechanisms operating. Oh, wrong one. And then again, you can see that in the down position there's 0 stress on the servo itself, and then this little stop, if power is removed, this little stop right here will allow it to rest on a with no power and no possibility of the gear failing or folding. And then again the front. We get the buzzing with the gear up because the servo is actually holding the gear in an up position. And digital servos, being digital servos, are going to hum whenever there's a load presented to them that they can't resolve. So there you have it. There's the gear. And see, I get them both at the same time. And I gotta synchronize the slowdowns on that, but that's the general idea. Thanks a bunch.